All That We Share ist der Titel eines viralen Spots.
A Danish TV commercial titled All That We Share challenges our thoughts on the things that divide us.
It's easy to put people in boxes. There's us, and there's them, the high earners, and those just getting by. Those we trust, and those we try to avoid. There's the new Danes, and those who've always been here. There are those we share something with, and those we don't share anything with.
Velkommen. Jeg kommer til at stille jer nogle spørgsmål i dag. Nogle af dem kan godt være lidt personlige, men jeg håber, I vil svare ærligt på dem. Hvem herinde i rummet var klassens klovn?
And then suddenly, there's us. We who believe in life after death. We who've seen UFOs. And all of us who love to dance. We who've been bullied. And we who've bullied others. And then there's us, the lucky ones who've had sex this past week. We who are bisexual. And we who acknowledge the courage of others. And then there's all of us who just love Denmark. So maybe there's more that brings us together than we think. TV2 Denmark, all that we share.
Showing people that they're all connected.
All That We Share, ein Werbefilm für einen dänischen Fernsehsender.
Imagine the headline. This Danish ad may be the best antidote to Trump. And the Huffington Post, who says this Danish TV ad is what the world needs to remember now more than ever.
We'll have a lot of stuff in common, which we could use a lot more of today when our government is trying to be divisive.